Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create your Apple developer account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So firstly, you have to go into your Safari browser. Now from here you have to go and search for the developer.apple.com. So now once you are in here, you have to click on these two horizontal lines that is in the top left corner. From here you have to go into your account settings. So once you are in the account settings, tap on this download PDF button, and from here you have to scroll down. And here you have to go in the agreements and view all the agreements and the guidelines. Now from here you have to sign in into your account, and you have to agree to the Apple development agreement. Now this is completely free. And after that, once you do that, you have to go back and go into your iPhone settings. Now from here you have to go in the general, and here you have to click on the software update. Now, once you will update your iPhone, you will see the option of the iOS 18 developer beta is available after the signing into the developer account. So that's basically how you can create your Apple developer account. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.